Hey people, my name's Naomi Osei and I'd like to welcome you to our channel. If it's your first time coming across us, thank you so much for being here. I really do hope that you enjoy what you see and what you hear from us. Stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell to get more updates from our life in the motherland. In August of 2021, my babies and I packed up our things and we relocated from the UK to our homeland Ghana. And on this channel, we're documenting our exciting adventure. And if you are no stranger to us, I'd like to thank you again for coming back and thank you for your continued support. It means so much. So since I've been in Ghana, I've been able to show you how I make a living and my home office setup. But what I haven't shown you too much about is my lifestyle and what I do for fun, especially on the weekends. So in today's video, you are invited to come with me as we go to the beach. Stay tuned. When we were making the decision to relocate to Ghana, one of the things that really appealed to my children was the idea of being able to go to the beach every weekend. And I promised them that we'd be able to do it. Now, let me be completely honest with you. We have not been so strict on that, and we have not been going to the beach every single weekend. And if the truth be told, it's been quite a while since I was last at the beach, but my goodness, it is so good to be back. So someone told me that they've never ever seen a beach video from me. So I thought, well, I have to change that. So here I am at Laboma Beach. This is how I spend my Sundays in Accra. So beautiful. Wondering, Laboma Beach is right next door to Laboma Beach. Laboma Beach is by far more popular and as a result gets really crowded and is less clean than Laboma Beach. So if you're looking for somewhere that's got a bit more of a chilled vibe, less busy and a lot cleaner, you want to check out Laboma Beach. It's just so nice, man. Now, I don't know how to explain it, and I don't know about you, but for me, there is just something so therapeutic about being at the beach. Oh my goodness, it is just divine. Honestly, if I'm feeling low, if I'm feeling a little bit miserable, put me in the sun. Give me that sand and that sea, and it just turns my mood right around. Absolutely love it. And if you're wondering why my hand is always in my hair, well, listen, when I'm at the beach, the wind blows my locks all over the place. So I'm constantly fixing it so I don't look like a mad woman. Vegetarian, my options for food at Laboma Beach are quite limited, unless I bring my own. Having said that, for all visitors, you can make a day of it here at the beach because there are a number of local and international dishes available on sale. The evening was drawing nigh, the sun was going down, and so I decided that I would step back out onto the beach to soak up the remnants of the sunshine before those mosquitoes decided to come out and feast on my flesh.
So it seems everyone had the same idea. Come to the beach.
Homeward bound. And so now you have an idea of how I spend my Sundays when in Accra. All right, people, so I made it home safely. I had an absolutely wonderful day at the beach. My weekends here are just amazing. Relaxation, sunshine, the sea, it's absolutely beautiful. Anyway, I have got client calls first thing tomorrow morning, so I'm about to crawl into bed. And yeah, I'll catch up with you lot another time. Bye.